Yesterday, gold has created another bullish candle where we can see that the price could not go back down after the previous day on a Friday when the price has created this strong bearish candle indicating potentially further decline in value. But the price formed this bullish candle where the wick has also tried to move even more down. We can see the lower side of this wick, and then the price stopped very close to the very important level that is around 2504. Our resistance level, which was in the previous acting also as a resistance but also as a support. We can see that here, right here on these three candles. Now, how the price will behave during today, it depends on the smaller time frame, because this small resistance around 2504 is very important, and also how the price will behave on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame is very important, because those small resistance and support levels are very important to see where the price is trying to make a breakout. Is it a bullish breakout above 2504, or it will continue to fall down and go more down below 2496 or even more 2492? We can see that very important support levels are right here. This will also show us what it will be further direction of the price during the week, because very important levels are these ones where the price usually has been stuck for a while. We can see when the price was going up and down between these price levels. So it's very important to see how the price will behave. But for now, what I can see, again, we have indecision on the market, but also we need to pay attention that this weekly time frame is showing us a further decline in value for several weeks. 2 weeks in a row. So there is also potentially that this week also closes on the lower side. But for that, before that happens, we need to see how the price behave around this area, which is very important level. And then if the price goes up, it will be also important level 2525.80. So for now, I'm waiting to see where the price will go outside of this range area, which are very important support levels on the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame. So lower side levels, I will also share with the details with the traders inside the Telegram group. The link will be below, so you can also check for your information if you would like to receive a daily update. This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.